On today's episode, the X3 gets a much needed lighting upgrade from Diode Dynamics, featuring their TIR optics and highest intensity output on the market. So stay tuned. Welcome to the channel, guys. We are going to jump right into unboxing these SS3 pods from Diode Dynamics. So I ended up getting the sport version and I got the spot beam and the combo beam. Now they do offer these in the Sport, Pro, and Max, and the reason I ended up going with the Sport is because I'm going to be mounting 4 of them on the front, so this fits my application the best. You get some decals, and in this box we have the yellow spot beam. Now the spot beam has an incredible output of 151,000 candela, a highly focused 6-degree beam directly from the TIR optic that throws light a half a mile away. So in the back it has the pin fin heatsink design to help get rid of all that heat from LEDs. It also has a little breather filter on there to prevent any moisture on the inside, and it has an integrated door style connector inside the light, which I think is really cool. In the box you get pretty much everything that you need with your stainless steel hardware, your stainless steel universal mounting brackets, and the pigtails for your lights with a connector. Now in the other box we have the same SS3 Sport, but in their combo pattern optic. Their combo pattern is both the driving and the flood, and it shines in a rectangular 65 by 25 degree pattern, which will be perfect for riding on the trails. Now the SS3 pods are offered in different beam patterns. You also have the high beam, the fog, the flood, the spot, and the combo. SAE high beam and the SAE fog is SAE compliant, which makes it also street legal. So another great thing about the SS3 pods is that they do offer the optics sold separately, meaning that you can change out to a different color or a different pattern at any time. And now let's get these bad boys on the X3. Light that we're going to be installing is the Stage Series 50-inch white light bar, and I did choose the combo option on this, with the outer lenses being flood pattern. Now you can swap out these outer lenses with different options. They do have replacement lenses available online, giving you the ability to change the color or the beam pattern of the outer lens. Now the 50-inch white combo light bar puts out a whopping 325,000 candela, which is mind-blowing. Now they're also offered in amber and white, and 3 different patterns: the driving, flood, and combo. So all I have to do now is get this beast on my Can-Am. Now, of course, the light bar does come with stainless steel hardware and a universal mounting bracket, but I am using my own bracket for this installation. I could put a link down in the description for you guys for the one that I'm using for the X3. Also, I hooked up all my lighting to my switch pod, and I will also put a link in the description for that if you guys are looking for something like that. It makes life so much easier. I'll link the video for the installation of that switch pod as well. So to show you the difference, before I get the drone up in the air, I'm going to show you what it looks like from the driver's seat. And this is the low beam. This is the high beam. This is the low beam again. This is the SS3 pods. And then there's daylight with the 50-inch light bar. Alright, so now I'm going to get the drone up in the air and I'm going to show you from 300 feet above of what it looks like, the stock lighting versus having the right lighting for your off-road application. So here is the factory low beam. This is the high beam, and we'll go back to the low beam again. And this is the SS3 pods. And it's crazy how much light it throws, and even from 300 feet above, it does not fit in the shot, and you can see from the house that it's hitting up there. It is unbelievable how focused the spot beam is. So here is the 50-inch light bar, and once again, it's nowhere near fitting into the shot. It would go probably way beyond that house that's all the way down there, and it's just not enough room to show how much light this thing puts out. And there you guys have it. I am 100% happy with this install. Plenty of light for me for any of my off-road needs at night. Diode Dynamics is quickly becoming the industry leader in the off-road lighting. And with their affordable prices, you can outfit your rig enough to scare the living crap out of any darkness. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. I love talking to you guys on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on my Instagram page. All the links are in the descriptions for the products that I used. Make sure to check out diodedynamics.com. If you guys liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to find out when I post new videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.